Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and it's a very gloomy day. It is very foggy out, so our lighting is, well, you know how it is. I just wanted to show this girl on Teeny Tiny Tuesday that I blushed her. I'm hoping Darren can insert a picture of when I first opened her. She was very white, just right out of the silicone. And I blushed her a little bit, and it may not be the best outfit. I wish I had done it different, but the girl has clothes. And I just wanted to share her and show that moving forward with my little silicone babies. I love that squishy silicone, actual newborn feel to these dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let's see, what's a baby song, Darren? How about Rockabye Baby for today's song for our October sing-along on our channel? Just in the comments, put a line in or the next line in from the other comments. While you're there, please like all the other comments, our video, and please subscribe.